Jupiter is almost 500 million miles away from the Sun. WASP-76b is just 3 million miles from its star. And that's what makes this planet a hot Jupiter. Temperatures on WASP-76b exceed 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, creating one of the most extreme environments in the universe.
If I were fortunate enough to be able to go and visit this world, I would have to take a lot of precautions because it is essentially a hellscape on that planet.
The heat is absolutely insane. There is nothing like it in our solar system.
The fact that it's so close to its star has another consequence. WASP-76b's spin is locked to its star.
The gravity from the star will grip onto the planet, slow its rotation over time if it had any to start with, and lock it so that one face always faces toward the star.
This gravitational grip is called tidal locking.
We're used to the idea of tidally locking with our own moon. We only ever see one side of the moon. The far side of the moon continues to face space.
There are consequences for being a tidally locked planet, and not all of them are good.
That can set up some pretty extreme weather conditions. Very hot on the daytime side and extremely cold on the nighttime side.
In 2020, we took a closer look at the atmosphere between the day and night side of the planet. This twilight zone has plenty of rain, but here it rains molten iron.
I mean, this thing has iron rain. How lazy is that if you were writing a sci-fi novel? Oh, let's make some iron rain. But this is reality. It is hot enough to vaporize iron and make it rain.
When I grew up watching sci-fi on TV and reading novels, there'd always be some planet where there was some strange condition. Oh, iron rains out of the sky. And I'd be like, that's ridiculous. And now what I found out is that nature is way nuttier than anything we could have thought of.
How do you get vaporized iron? Well, most materials can exist in different states, so think about water, right?
Water can be a solid when it's ice, and then when you heat it up, it becomes water, the liquid part of water, and then if you heat it up more, it becomes steam, like out of a kettle. And this is true of every chemical element. So for iron, if you heat it even more up, it becomes a gas. So you really can have clouds of iron vapor condensing and raining liquid iron.
These nightmare weather conditions are a direct result of WASP-76b's proximity to its star.